The Department of Social Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, marked the International Day of Persons with Disabilities with the theme Amplifying the Leadership of Persons with Disabilities for an Inclusive and Sustainable Future. During the event, Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar highlighted the importance of family dedication in supporting individuals with disabilities. He urged the collective responsibility of the government bodies and NGOs in ensuring proper care for these individuals. The governor assured assistance from the Raj Bhavan and the Government of India, including the initiatives for eye replacements to improve the lives of those in need. Meanwhile, in a program that was held at Sajair Community Hall, Nongpo, the event was attended by Nongpo MLA as the chief guest. In his address, Mayor Bond's aim emphasized the importance of treating individuals with disabilities with equality and respect.
It is our responsibility to see that. It is a government responsibility. Not only government responsibility, some of the NGOs, they had come here. More than the government, they are serving to this mankind. Even any responsible person, it is his responsibility to see that that child should also lead normal life.
Mara kata kani kijing kenmau ya kani kesgi ke bakerpang kelai tarik ban kesnem kalong ban kersi utia ban kenmau yagi ba yide ban shim yagi kaju ban kiwe pa ki babiang yagi de convent.
The All Jayantia